Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. So today I'm recording from Liberia, West Africa. So we're making a Liberian dish that's called, what is it called? Bitter ball? Okay, fried bitter ball. Okay, it's called red oil bitter ball. So let me show you all the ingredients she's going to be putting inside. So the bitter ball, she has two different sizes. She has one that's small and it's bitter, and that's the little green one you see, and then she has the white one. And she's going to be using some fish, chicken feet, cow skin, bone, and she's going to put some snail in there. So these are the two chefs for us today, Rose and what's your name, Mama?
Fatu.
And Fatu. They are gracious to show you how to make the authentic bitter ball with red palm oil. And the little red things you see in there is the pepper that's going in it. So after they cut it, then they're going to wash it and start the process. For the escargot, she's going to clean it in hot water, and she's also going to use lime. He just put the red oil, the palm oil. That's what they're going to put in the fried bitter ball. Oh, the red oil, yeah. So he just put the red oil, and that's what's going to go in the fried bitter ball. So please tell them the process. What you doing? Oh, nah. While I'm talking, she talking. While I shut up, she talking. All right, explain that.
That's video. Why you?
Okay, you say bitter ball. You say
red or bitter.
Oh, red or bitter ball.
When
Okay.
you say fried bitter, when you like
So the dish is called red or bitter ball. Okay, it's gonna be cooked on a coal pot. So he's lighting the coal pot. That's what we're gonna be cooking the food. What you put? Gasoline? What you put? Rubber?
yeah.
Oh. So he put rubber, and then he put matches, and that's what lit the fire. She's washing the bitter ball. We're trying to get the sand out of it.
Elijah?
So she's washing it for the second time, and we're gonna put it in the pot. So this is the snail or escargot. She's going to show us how she cleaned it. She put some water and she's going to put it in the pot, and it's live. for the bitter ball. This is the cow skin. And she's cleaning, trying to get all the sand out of it. And let me show you what I wrote to come here. In Liberia, it's called keke. This is it. Let me show you what the keke looks like. This one has no dough. Sometimes some of them have dough. Yeah. This one got no dough. So you hold on for dear life. And this is the keke. Let me show you what the back looks like. This is it. And the lady that's cooking for me, she has a shop, a provision shop where she sells things. And she also has pepper, oil, okra, bitter ball, palm butter leaf. There's a leaf that we put in our palm butter when we cook it, or some people call it sauce grain. She has butter, and she has vita, and some regular oil. She's cleaning the chicken feet, taking the nails off. And how much was the chicken feet?
200.
200 as $2? Okay, $2 for 6. I think it's 6 pieces, right? Yeah, I think it's 7 pieces for $2. Now that's the penny. What that fish called? That salmon? What's the fish? The fish, the big fish.
What is it?
Nable? What is it?
I think nable.
Oh, okay. She don't know what that fish is called.
They run one year on there. They say 700, 1,000.
Oh, the pike. Yeah.
So I there told them what she say kutu.
Yeah.
What they hold for me.
So she cleaning it and taking the things out. When you cut a cow skin, you make it small. Yeah? Thank you. In Africa, we make sure to take all the sand out. Because a lot of stuff, even when it dry, the fish, it has sand. So she cutting up all the cow skin after cleaning it well.
I was hitting there.
So she's gonna wash it twice. she just took the snail from the cold pot. So watch the process so you know how to clean good escargot or good snail, whichever way you call it. She's going to use lime on it. One of the skin fell down. I was telling her one of the cow skin fell. On his side. See now how easy it comes out of the shell. What are you going to do with the shell?
Nothing.
Oh, okay, you get it out of the way. I thought she was going to do something with the shell, but she's not. This is what is left after she peeled the other one off. And now she's going to clean it with lime. Yeah, she has the bitter ball and all the cow skin and meat, everything she put in the same pot. She put a bitter ball first. And that is going to go on the stove. I thought I was recording. She sliced in the middle. She sliced it in two and sliced in the middle and took these strings that were all in there out. Now she's cleaning it.
Call it snap.
Yeah. She said that I take all the slime out. So look at my artist.
I still work myself. You want a little more? Like how you doing?
So she's starting to season. She putting some vita cube in there. And she'll put the rest of the meat and stuff. And adding some more water. So she mashing everything up. She mashed the pepper and the bitter ball.
I want to mash the flour and yes, mate.
Okay, she's about to put the red oil in there. All organic food. There's still some water in there. She's trying to dry out until you see only the oil passing through the little bubbles. Then you know it's ready. And she's also cooking some rice. So she has the pot with the water in there. So ready? Okay, so the food is ready. I'm just waiting for the rice to be ready, and then it's time to eat. So thank you, Rose. Say thanks to Rose. And thanks to her sister. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification button so each time I upload, you will be notified. Bye-bye.